Welcome back, everybody. And anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me. I don't always look like I'm ready to fall asleep. Yeah, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I forgot to do the intro for today's video and the outro, so you're going to be seeing me here. I'm editing it right now. Um, it was kind of all over the place because I took a buddy with me and I had to drag him out, so I didn't get a video of me doing that, oddly enough, because it was funny. He got covered in snow, as you guys can see in the thumbnail, because that's what I'm going to be using because it was funny. If you guys don't keep up with me and stuff like that, you can follow me on my Instagram at capital DWSD and then lowercase AVE DWS Dave 31. I'll put it right here in the video. Otherwise, we did go out. We were going after bluegills and big crappie. I didn't mention much of that until later on in the video, but either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. There's going to be a lot more left coming this season. We're going to get another cold front here, and I have some more ideas as far as chasing big bluegills. If you guys aren't new here, you know me. I haven't been able to get on them most of the season. I did at the beginning of the year. Late ice is an amazing time of year to get your new PB bluegill. So if you're getting antsy because of the midwinter blues, like I am and everybody else is, stay tuned. They'll be getting better soon. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get started. They're just like once pop, sit still, once pop, sit still. Because if it's a bluegill, that'll be a big bluegill. Oh, yeah, there's a fish down there. Okay. He's coming to mine. That looks kind of cool. You get like a blob.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got yours. Nice. That's not a bad one.
That's a nice kill.
You keeping them? You gotta make less noise in this shallow water. I saw him shoot underneath my hole, go figure. Oh, you got one. You suck. That looks like a smaller one. You might be able to see that bite. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Little guy just sitting on it. I like lifted. Oh, that's a big one too. What the hell? Maybe it's your colored jig. I bet that one's bigger than this one if you catch it.
Yeah, I'm just using that orange one.
Yeah, no, that's a good one. Oh, wait, stop moving. Don't move. Oh, that was a big crappie. Oh. It was all up bite. Yeah, that thing's almost impossible to get a good hook set on those things with. He flew up from the weed just, and I watched my line jump, and my, because there's no weight on it because of the light jig, so this didn't go, I didn't get the up bite thing. Yeah, he's still down there. Looks like it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're like deep in the weeds, and then they're coming out from the bottom. No, this could be a really good area. That one was like right on top of you. Well, that was quick. See how fast that thing hit? They're getting bigger.
I'm gonna have to put that stupid little chartreuse one on, apparently.
Give me my hook.
Oh, I got one over here. Hold on. Oh my god, he smashed it. Was not expecting that at all. Oh, here he comes again. There we go.
That's a good one.
I think it's male. Yeah, they're feeding right now, so a little bit bigger. And if it was a female, I would keep this one. Oh, you got another one? It was crazy how fast that thing came up and hit yours too. I was like, did you lose them? Amateur. Or they're wrapped up already.
Get attacked by something.
Yeah. A little bit of a gash down there. There's some very, very big northern pike over here. Mud bug. I mean, you don't get any more finesse. It does work. I'm so happy. This is why I like these guys. What is... Not bad. No, that's a good one. Is that even a female? Yeah, I think so. Oh no. Is that pink or gold? Like... It's hard to tell.
Oh.
Stick ya?
Oh. I got tangled. Then I changed that.
Did you put that one I told you about? Yeah. Picky little bugger.
right. So, like I said before, I'm doing the intro and outro here. Uh, Obviously, we picked up a few eaters. The mission turned from chasing big bluegills. We were going to possibly go do perch and big crappie. But the area that we were in, I couldn't really get around on my machine at first. Later on in the day, it was fine for travel, but needless to say, we ended up getting a bunch of I think they were like 7.5 to 8.5 inch bluegills, which is perfect eaters. I don't keep anything over 8.5 because you need to keep the biggest bluegills in the body of water that you're fishing because they dictate what everything else is. So if you have big bluegills in the water, they proceed to make more big bluegills. You take all the big bluegills out of the water, they make all small bluegills. So my eater range is always 7 to 8.5 inches, unless there's freak waterways that I'm in where everything's like a bunch of 10.5s or something like that. Then I might keep a 9 once in a great while. But 9 times out of 10, it's like a 7 to 8.5 inch bluegill that I'm keeping. But I got some dinner. I actually got to go clean some fish still. I don't know if I should do it half awake or wait till tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just going to leave that in there because I'm half asleep. I don't even care right now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Obviously, if you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you are new, can you please just remember to